Alright, so for this job, you're not going to need a whole lot. Some type of breaker bar. You're going to want a bungee cord or something to hang your brake caliper on. We've got, I think it's a 19 millimeter socket to take your lug nuts. We're going to have a 16 for your caliper bracket and then a 14 for your calipers. You're going to need a C-clamp or something to push your caliper piston back in, a wire brush to clean everything up, a big flathead screwdriver to pull your caliper back. You may end up needing some type of a mallet to break your rotor free, and then of course some thread locker going back together with the caliper bracket. Now you will also need a socket to take the retaining bolt out of the rotor. I used a T30 Torx bit, but it's actually a hex head. It's probably like a H4, so keep that in mind. But this is all you need to get started, so let's get into it. Alright, so we got it jacked up and the wheel removed. 19 millimeter on the lug nuts. We're going to take this caliper off. We are going to stick the screwdriver in here and pry back on the rotor just a little. See how it has that little bit of give to it now? Make it easy to bring this caliper off. We're going to take a 14 and we are going to zip our bolt here and our bolt here so we can remove this caliper. Set these out of the way. Now I've got a bungee cord. And we do not have enough slack yet. So we'll pull back on it a little bit more again. Just light pressure. Our caliper is seized to our brake pad right here. So we'll give it a little bit of a pop. Daggone. So now we'll take this off and we're gonna hook our bungee cord, and then we'll hook it up here on the strut. We just want to make sure that we don't have tension on our brake line. Then you'll take and remove your old brake pads. So now we're going to move our two caliper bracket bolts. There's one here, one right here. They're going to be 16s, my bad. And you're going to need a 12-point socket because they are the Torx head style. So we'll put our socket on our little breaker ratchet. Set this out of the way for now. So now we're going to remove a rotor. I believe it's going to be a hex head holding this pin. I've got a T30 Torx. See if it works for us. And she did. Set our pin out of the way, and then we'll give this rotor a pop. Gonna have to get the hammer on this one probably. We're gonna take a wire brush. We're gonna take a wire brush and we'll clean this whole area up. We're gonna pop our little brackets out of our caliper bracket. Be careful, don't let this stuff catch you. Then once you have your shims popped out, we're going to clean this caliper bracket up.